Welcome back to our Math Learning channel. Today, we're going to learn about inverse function, how to find them, and what they actually mean. A function takes an input and gives an output. We can think of this as two machines. If the first machine processes the input, then give output, then the second machine undoes what the first machine does. No matter what the value of x enters the first machine, it is returned as the output from the second machine. An inverse function does the opposite. It takes the output and gives you back the input. For example, a function is 2x plus 3. Then the inverse of this function is x minus 3. Then divided by 2. Follow these steps. First, replace x with y. y x 2x plus 3. Next, swap x and y. X on 2y plus 3. And then solve for y. 2y or x minus 3. Then y x 3 divided by 2. The inverse of the function is x minus 3 divided by 2. Now try another harder example. fx at x power of 2 plus 2 in step 1. Replace x with y. y x power of 2 plus 2. Step 2. Swap x and y, get y power of 2 plus 2. Step 3. Solve for y. Subtract 2 from both sides. X minus 2 equals y power of 2. Step 4. Take square root of both sides. Square root of x minus 2. Digger y. Finally, replace y by the inverse of x, which is square root of x minus 2. That's how inverse functions work. I hope this lesson helped you understand the concepts more clearly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.